Welcome to Saraswati Classes Belagavi. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Professor S.B. Nagaraj. My qualification is BCom, LLB, MA in English. During my school and college days, I noticed that many people are facing English problem. Some of my classmates failed in English subject, appeared for the exam frequently, but they didn't achieve success, so they left the college. Therefore, immediately after completing my BCom degree, I thought that I must do something for the society and I must do something for such people, those who are facing English problem. Thinking that, I established Saraswati English Classes Belagavi in the year 1989. Till today, I have completed more than 1200 batches. Around 3 lakh students have benefited, and many of my students are working abroad and they are getting very good salary and they are very happy in their life. Also, I have written more than 14 books to learn English language. The books are very popular in India and that this is the most popular book. This book I published in 25 years back. Till today, over 3 lakh copies of this book have been sold. Also, this is another most popular book, and this is another most popular book, and this is another most popular book. Like this, I have written more than 14 books. All are very famous and they are very useful to the students, and I am getting very good opinion from the students and English teachers. And we are providing hostel facility for outsiders and we are giving them the success guarantee. Therefore, Saraswati English Classes Belagavi is the most trusted name in India. All my books are available in Amazon Kindle. If you want to buy, you can buy in Amazon Kindle. Friends, English has become most important language. Without English, no one can survive today. English is not a difficult language. English is the easiest language in the world. Therefore, English is international language. Only the thing is, if you hate English language, it becomes difficult for you. If you love English language, it becomes very easy to you. Therefore, you must concentrate at English language. Whole day you think in English, read English newspapers, listen TV English news, and write English every day. Friends, in my next class, I shall teach you how to learn English language with the easiest method. Thank you, friends.